Hey guys, I wanted to show you a frugal tip. So if you saw my rabbiting router bit video, you noticed that I had assembled my window here for my chicken coop before I decided to put in this rabbiting edge here, which means that I was left with a rounded corner. But now I need to square off this corner so I can put some plastic or acrylic or some sort of polycarbonate in here for the window. But I don't have a chisel set. But I do have one of these, I don't know if they're like paint knives or something. I don't know what exactly they're called, but they come in a lot of paint sets. But they have a pretty sharp edge here. So I'm going to use this to notch out a corner here, as well as a hammer. You're just going to tap it on the back a little bit. But luckily this is some pretty soft wood. So let's see if I can get this in here. You just align it up here on the edge here. You go as far as you need to go. Hold it pretty firm, and then just give it a couple taps. That went pretty deep, almost as deep as I needed to go. So we're going to do the same thing here. Don't have it clamped down. So we're just going to give it a couple good whacks, and then you can see that it's moved a lot of that out of the way. You come in here and kind of just clean it out. Luckily this is something that's not really going to be viewed as going for a chicken coop, but for the most part there is a nice clean notched corner. So if you want more tips like this, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.